Hello everyone, let's start with the series roadmap to become competitive programmer 5 star. So in this video I'll be solving the problem too many items. So let's read out the problem. Chef bought an items from a shop. Although it is hard to carry all these items in hand, so chef has to buy some polybags to store these items. One polybag can contain at most 10 items. What is the minimum number of polybags needed by chef? So yeah, this is easy only. I will be telling you on the board. First, let's try to take input. We have test cases, so let me deal with test case. And as you know, I think you guys got to know how we'll deal with test cases. Okay, so for every test case we'll call a function solve, and for every test case we have integer n is basically the number of items that he has. And let's take some of the examples and understand. They have given 3 examples. In first example we have 20 items. So let me take you to the board. We have 20 items. N is 20. What they're saying is chef needs to carry one polythene bag. Okay, so it will hold 10 items. So since he have 20 items, if you try to split in this way, 10 plus 10, we have 20. So he needs to buy one more bag. Like one bag will hold 10 items, one more bag will hold other 10 items. So in this case he'll have to buy 2 bags. So bags purchased will be 2. And how do you find this? Basically you do 20 by 10. What is 20? 20 is n by what is 10? Because since each bag carries only 10 items, so you do by 10. So in this case your answer is 2. So that is the this is how you get 2. And let's try to solve this on 24. So when n is 24, so this can be written as 10, 10 and 4, like 10 plus 10 plus 4. So for this one bag you need, and since there are only 4 items but you need to put that in a bag, so you'll have to purchase one more bag. So like one bag will have 10 items, other bag will have 10 items, the third bag will have 4 items. So you are saying we'll be getting like you need to buy 3 bags. But how do you find this now? If you try to do n by 10, this will be 24 by 10, and which is basically 2 in integer division. So now one more thing we'll have to find. N modulo 10 means if it has some remainder, then your bags will be increased by 1. Meaning, so if you have your 24 modulo 10, if you do, you're getting 10, which means there are 4 bags remaining which has not put into some of the bag, like in any bag. So you'll have to find if there is any items remaining that you'll have to put into bag. So if modulo is there, so you'll have to buy one more bag. So this is one of the exact formula that you can use and try to find the number of bags chef needs to buy. So let's take int bags as n by 10, and as I said we'll be checking if n modulo 10 we have. So in that case our bags will be increased by 1, and at the end we'll have to output these bags. Let's try to run the code. Yes, we're getting 2 3 10 as we expect. Let's try to see if we're getting correct answer or not. So yeah, it's correct. So I think it was very easy problem, and thank you guys for watching the video.